Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Thanks to all the channel members. I appreciate you all so much. And I want to thank anybody coming through to watch the content. I appreciate you. I hope you find it informative. If you like knife and EDC content, if you'll hit that subscribe button and that bell notification below, it'll help me out and I'll keep you updated when we release new content. So this is the Quiet Carry 9. It's one of my, it's a huge favorite knife of mine. Super slicey. It made my top slicer list of knives I bought this year. But what I wanted to do is real quick try to drop some skiffs in it. Hopefully no struggle bus. I didn't put it on the thumbnail preemptively. And I think I know the size skiffs. I think these are 5mm 3/64s according to the compatibility chart, but we'll check them. And what we've got here is a body screw with a clip, body screw, and a pivot. So I'm going to start back here and hope that I don't have Loctite. One body screw, long body screw. All T8s, by the way. And it looks like really nice hardware. You know, that clip's behind the scale, so I'm not going to worry about that. Just don't want to drop it. Let's be real careful with our pivot. It looks like it's captive. All right, guys. I'm going to leave that body screw in because if it'll stay in, that is great. All right, we have got our titanium. I'm going to let that screw come out. It's a short screw, so I'm going to keep it separate. We have got our bearing here. And it looks like it may already be skiffed. Because I bought this, yep, this bad boy's already skiffed. And it is .3/64. By 5mm. But look guys, that's the skiff bearing right there. So what we're going to do, since we've got it apart, is we are going to clean it out just a bit. It's not dirty there. We're going to clean and lube it. All right, let me grab a real quick little cleaning cloth for that blade. And we can use our 5mm 3/64 on another knife. I bought that from, God, why can't I remember? I bought this off a really cool brother who's, God, I'm embarrassed, I can't remember. He had two of them. He said, Javon, I think you're really going to like this knife. I took a chance on it because I trust him and his judgment. Again, he just had two because he didn't know which make he was going to want, or which colorway, I guess I should say. And I picked it up. Glad that I did. Love the knife. But he already skipped it. And he probably told me that, and I probably just don't remember. So I'm going to get some KPL Original. And put some on that side of the bearing. Then I'm going to take some KPL Heavy. Put a little drop on my detent ball. A little drop on my detent track. And again, I over lube everything because I've got a problem. Move my stop pin over. I think it'll be easier to get. get some original. A little on the blade, a little on the washer, a little on the bearing. Plop it down. Capture our pivot. Get our short body screw, the one that's going to be hard because I'm going to have to feed it through that hole. Not as hard as I thought. Long body screw. Guys, that was a breakdown lesson and a skiff false alarm. But when you trade knives with your buddies, you never know if they're already going to be skiffed. Very loose. Tight. Dead nuts. Hey, that has skiffy action. It did before, but now at least it's cleaned up. It's lubed up. Short video. No struggle bus. Clean up some oil for our next one. And I will find something to put skiffs in. And we will have a blast, guys. Again, the good screwdriver. Love this. This is a great value at about 150, 60 bucks if you're looking for a bougie, big ass bit driver. And I love the little caddy. Sweet setup if you do a lot of disassemblies. And again, the Skiff cheat sheet, aka template, is a little banger. I'm a big fan of Skiff Bearings, KPL, good stuff. I may have something worked out with them in the channel to where I can get some giveaway stuff and, you know, keep using the KPL. But guys, I love y'all. I appreciate you stopping by. I look forward to seeing you guys every Friday night. May have a random live stream coming up one of these nights, maybe this week. You never know. May have a long, 12-hour live stream coming up to see if I want to do a 24-hour live stream. But we're all going to play that by ear. I love each and every one of you. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm thankful for your view. And all I ask is please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.